Kuala Terengganu on 25th April, Lembaga Getah Malaysia still had a problem with the production of latex. The production of latex nowadays become decreasing due to the disease that attack rubber trees, which there is still no solution to settle down this issue. It becomes more worse from day to day. Now we go to the place where it happened with our journalist at Rubber Estate in Setiu, Kuala Terengganu.
Good evening. Currently, I'm at the rubber plantation in Setiu, Terengganu. With me right here, Cik Amira Muhammad Ali, which is the owner of this rubber plantation. So, Cik Amira, how's your latex production in recent years?
The latex secretion by rubber trees has decreased by 30 to 40% due to diseases such as polionematodes and polytrotricum. So since our rubber plantation is 50 hectares wide, so we have a very limited workforce and time to examine each tree in our estate and to treat them with fertilizers.
Thank you, Cik Amira, for the information. So we go back to the studio with
Our news with the VP of the New Technology from Rubber Expert Company. That's it for ENT News. Good night.